Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you must can see from the title already. Sorry, this makes me feel so excited. I got myself on Beyonce's drip 2.2. The first drip that she came out with, when I even found out that she had came out with a line, everybody had done bought it out. Then the second drip, I wasn't too interested, even though the colors were nice. I like the green, whatever, but we here for these ones today because I'm wearing one of the pieces. I'm sure you can tell if you've been up to date with sorry, I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I can just jump straight into it. You already know that we're here for Beyonce. I got some Beyonce drip. I said that already. And we just gonna get into showing you what I have on. So the first piece I have on is a play suit. I'm gonna have to stand up on a chair to show y'all the drip even matching my my sofa, my chair. Okay, so all for the drip. Oh god. Probably should have brought some lotion. Give me one sec, my knees ashy. So this the fit. The material, A1. Top quality, top notch. The only thing for me is I should have got this in an extra small. I got this in a small, which they say is a UK 10. I am a UK 8/10. I love the color. This is more up my stream. This is practical. I can rewear this as much as I want. This suits my skin complexion. I have been wearing a lot of these colors anyway. Like if you've seen my ZARA haul, you've seen that a lot of these colors, I bought them. They've been striking my eye. I've always loved these colors. Look at the fit. This is so good. If you are even super curvy, this is gonna be so sexy on you. If you got that small waist in this, and if you don't, it still looks good on you because, I mean, if I do say so myself.
If I do say so myself, if I do say so myself, if I do say so myself. Hold on.
Ugh, the drip just exudes Beyonce. It just makes you feel like really, really good. The only thing I said, I would definitely get this in an extra small. So the stretch is really good on this. I would say that you can definitely, how about I come down and talk to y'all instead of talking from up here? Okay, come closer. Let me just lower this down because you know she's a shorty. Look at the detailing. The black going on, because obviously you know that's Adidas's what's the word? Trademark, signpost, trademark. The word that you know you recognize something by, whatever. So it's got that on the inside. Oh, looks so good. And I'm sure Beyonce wore spandex and all that stuff underneath it because she loves a good spandex. Put on my body lava, whatever shimmering thing you have. I mean, you can use even a little glitter, whatever. Body shine, even a little Vaseline, a little baby oil. And I would shine up the top of here. It has the black going down on the side as well. On both sides. This looks really, really cute. But spicy at the same time. Cute but sexy. Let's move on to the other ones because her whole line full of drip, okay? I hope my lighting is not too bright, but you can see the top. This a sports bra and it has medium support. I got the matching cycling shorts. I'm gonna show you that in a minute, but we just going to focus on this top. I love this. This is a medium. My boobs tend to be bigger than the bottom half, so I normally go up a size in bras and tops and then I go down in the bottom. But I mean, this fits comfortably, it's nice and everything, but I definitely could have gotten this in a small because I've seen a lot of people that don't really have big breasts wear this. Well, wear in the other colors, but I'm happy with how this looks and at least I'm not like squeezing really, really tight. So I can show you the cycling shorts. I'm really loving it because of this like underwear kind of look that it gives. This is how it looks. So you can see the whole side is out. So you definitely have to wear like thongs and or like underwear obviously that's shaped like this and bring them all the way up. Kind of has that sort of spandex material, but it's not uncomfortable. I just don't like the fact of this underwear looking thing. Other people might find that comfortable, but it ain't that kind of party for me. So because I wasn't really sure whether I would love this, I also ordered some leggings that I saw her wear. Beyonce looked fire in them. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. You can also wear it like this. not like this, but this looks cute too. This wasn't what I was trying to do, but that's cute. That is definitely cute. This is not what I was trying to do, but I like that. I didn't see her wear like this on this site or anything, but this was what I was gonna do. Ooh. So obviously you can wear it straight. The back ends up being the crisscross. That's where the attention goes. I think that's so cute. And then that way it wouldn't be like every time you wear it that you come in with it all in the front, like everybody like, I've seen you wear that before. They probably might think you got the same kind of bra in a different style. So I think that's cute. And I've also been looking for a kind of bralette looking top that I can wear under that black blazer with the gold buttons that I had in my ZARA haul. I'm telling you, if you're trying on clothes, do your makeup and do your hair, because sometimes you can put something on and be like, I don't really like it, and you might send it back. But if you had just tried it on how you would really look going out, then you would definitely be able to like envision the vision. You understand what I'm saying? I'm just gonna move on to the next outfit. Oh gosh, I don't know why I didn't try this on. Y'all still there? Oh, there you go. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna show you the leggings that it came with, but the top, let's just get into this top for a minute. So you can see that I have the detail in here as well. That color that's just that color that's running through the whole line, basically fitting for this season and everything. My boobs fit great in this. I also got this top in a size medium because, as I said, I know that my boobs tend to give me problems. So I would say if you got big tatas, definitely size up. But also the material here doesn't stretch much. I ordered them in both sizes just in case, because I was like, I don't want to really love this top and then it sells out, and when I try to go back to get my size, it's not gonna be there. So I ordered 2 sizes. But the small, I couldn't even really fit that over my head, because this does not give you any stretch at all. This, oh, I'm just looking at my viewfinder. This looks so good. I love how it fits my boobs. It still doesn't give me any lift, but I'd rather look like nice and comfortable than looking like I'm trying to say, hey, look at my boobs. This is so nice. I love the fact that it has this, the keyhole for your fingers. That is so nice. That just adds a little bit of detail, and obviously it has the stripes running down the side. It has this here, and I think they actually call this scuba. That's also what's at the end of here, so this doesn't stretch, but that also means that it gives you like security on your hands, if that makes sense. It secures everything here. It's not stretchy and loose. It gives you that great fit. This is quality. This is like what I would expect Beyonce to wear. Like they came through with a drip, literally. Let me see the back as well, or let me let y'all see the back. The back looks like this. It's just see-through, and it has the Adidas logo at the back here in that same color. I love the fact that you don't have to wear a bra with this. I'm gonna show you the leggings that they came with as well. You definitely cannot wear underwear with them, because even if it's a thong, your underwear gonna be showing on the sides. So don't wear underwear. This is definitely thought out, well thought out, because it has a curve at the top, and I think that also makes you not look so square. You know, sometimes if you wear leggings or trousers and they're like just cut at the top, that can push it in and do this at the top. It can make you have a muffin top. So I think having this here creates the illusion that you don't have a muffin top. For me, because my derriere is not huge from the side, it doesn't do anything for me. Small booties still matter. If I was really wearing this to the gym, it'd be fine. I'd throw on a top over it and it would be completely fine, except I don't think these are really practical to wear to the gym as well. They're a little bit too sexy. They're like too spicy. And I know some girls like do the whole spicy thing going to the gym. I don't get it, but you know, you're gonna break a sweat, but you're gonna still try and look cute. Okay, make it make sense, please. I mean, unless that's the vibe. Some days you get up and you really just feeling nice. It's not about people. You go into the gym and you want to feel nice while working out, and it will probably motivate you to work out. So maybe that's why people do it. But this, definitely, come on, this is too much. And just remember to size up in this if you got bigger boobs and that this doesn't really stretch. So if you got bigger arms and that the neck bit don't stretch, if you got a big head, just remember all of that. But this, definitely, and you're gonna get a lot of wear out of it. Like, I love this, love this. So I'm gonna go on to the last two pieces. I got a bodysuit. I'm gonna go into the bodysuit and then the dress. She has two bodysuits. One of them I ordered didn't come, but I was too excited to wait until the bodysuit came, so we're just gonna show you what I do have. This is a quick impromptu, guys. This bodysuit just came to the door. I wasn't gonna mention it because I've already filmed the video, as you've seen. However, it's very itchy. It's the stiff mesh. You might feel it's one of those slouchy mesh materials, but this is very, very stiff. And I think that's what's obviously adding to the itching effect that it gives. I definitely would have sized down in this bodysuit as well. This is a small. I should have gotten this in an extra small. It's very stretchy. It gives you a lot of room here. And it's the same in the back as well. It would have been tighter around my arm if I sized down. Ivy on one side, Park on the other side. Sizing down as well would definitely mean this top bit would fit much tighter around my neck and very uncomfortable. Just thought I'd let you guys know. So let's jump back into the video. So this is another piece that I got. This one is cute as well, but I think for the price, this is a lot for a bodysuit. And I have to be practical. If it wasn't Beyonce, if it wasn't Ivy Park, would I spend 50 something pounds, or I think it's 62 pounds on a bodysuit?
Oh, hell no.
So we're just gonna be honest about that. It's definitely one of those things that you throw on when you ain't looking to dress up, but you still, as I said, look put together. So I'm gonna show you that now.
Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I got hot sauce in my bag, swag.
The stripes going down all the way on the side. The back is pretty deep. This has a lot of stretch. This material is the cotton, like ribbed material, so it has a lot of stretch. So I definitely could have gotten this in an extra small, and I would say a lot of people could probably go down a size because it stretches so much. But obviously that depends. Everyone's body type is different. Maybe your boobs are gonna stretch it out more. I think this is really, really cute, and it has the Ivy Park logo in the front there. I can see this on a casual summer evening, cooler summer evening. Because of the cotton material, you wouldn't really wear it in the heat of summer, but it's also thin enough to wear in the evening time when it gets a little cooler, you know, the fresh breeze blowing. It's not very thick, so I quite like it. I quite like it, but yes, it is a lot for a bodysuit. And this is cute as well. And you know what, I think this dress can definitely dress it up a bit, and like I would go out to a casual dinner date with this. So this is the dress that she has. She's definitely incorporated that lime green from the first drip in this, and it also gives it a little bit of a pop. It's okay, it's cute. I definitely could have sized down. This is like so loose, kind of. Like the back is kind of bubbling up as well. I ordered this in a size small, and this has the same ribbed material that the bodysuit has, and the play suit as well. I think it's really cute. I'm a pretty slim person, but I feel like obviously because it has this thing to it, this illusion, it makes you feel a little bit more feminine, a little bit more girly. I can definitely see myself wearing this to a nice little dinner date. Even if you were going out with your girls and you didn't really want to dress up, but you're all going out to eat, this would look so cute. You're covered up. The way that this comes up at the top, I think it's really, really nice. I think it's so cute. It's casual, and I would wear this with a pair of blocked heels. This is what I think makes it look a little bit more elegant than it is. It's like it's sportswear, but elegant sportswear. I think this is really, really cute. I love it. I love it. I love the colors, as I said to you, and guys, I really like all this, but I would definitely have to size down in this. Do not size down in the leggings, because the leggings, you don't really get a lot of stretch. It has like scuba material throughout the whole leggings. You've got the bit that is mesh that doesn't stretch, and then the rest of it, which is the majority of the leggings, it's scuba material. So you cannot size down in these at all. You have to get your size, probably even a size up. But then the problem with getting a size up is it fits your legs, but then the crotch area might be a bit loose. So I would say order this in 2 sizes, your size and a size up, just to see, just so that if you do like it, it doesn't sell out when you try to order it again. So that was the last piece, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you thumbs up the video if you liked it, else I won't know that you liked it. And I hope you comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I will link some down below, particularly some hauls. I'll put the most recent ZARA haul down below as well, and I hope to see you in another video. And I don't really want to come off camera because I look so cute.